Hi everyone. Welcome to Monday Morning Mastery, powered by the Next Academy, building construction leaders for what comes next. I'm Cody Phillips. As always, I hope this finds you ready to attack the week ahead. There is a pervasive opinion that I continue to hear amongst the population about greatness in one's life, and it's wrapped in an argument for freedom. We are fortunate to have the abundant freedoms that are afforded to many of us, specifically here in the United States. But what I've found when analyzing people that exemplify true greatness in their lives, whether that be in their personal or professional lives, I see a group that understands choice or freedom is an illusion when chasing greatness. The illusion of choice is a psychological mental model made famous by the blockbuster movie Matrix that states humans are happy if they believe that they have control over their own actions and can exercise free will. Now, that may in fact be true for some of you listening right now, and it may be true in the Matrix, but I don't believe it's true for the world's top performers. I heard the great Alabama football coach Nick Saban talk recently about this, and it just drove home everything that I believe to be true on this subject. To paraphrase, he was talking about his team, and he said, they have the illusion that they have all of these choices. But the fact of the matter is, if you want to be good, you really don't have a lot of choices. Because it takes what it takes. You have to do what you have to do to be successful. You have to make choices and decisions to have the discipline and focus to the process to accomplish your goals. End quote. I just heard this week LeBron James, after winning yet another NBA title and a fourth Finals MVP, said this: the first thing you start to think about is how much work you've put in over the course of the year, how much you've sacrificed, how much you've dedicated to the game and to your craft. That's always been the most fulfilling thing for me. Besides seeing my teammates as happy as they are, being able to know that you can put the work in, literally trust the process, live about the process, and then see the results. I think not only from a basketball player, but from everybody, whatever craft, whatever workspace you're in, to be able to put the work in and live along the process and build along the process and be able to see results. I think we all live for that moment. End quote. Now, I recognize this message may not be for the majority, but for the minority of you who keep telling me in the comments section and my DMs that you want to stand out in life, that your desire is to be extraordinary, that you literally want to stand outside the norm. If that's you listening right now, as the great Albert Einstein once said, only one who devotes himself to a cause with his whole strength and soul can be a true master. For this reason, mastery demands all of a person. So throughout your day, you will have hundreds of choices to consider, and you will have the freedom to decide. But understand, if you are truly chasing greatness, many of those perceived choices are already made for you. It takes a rare level of discipline to achieve your goals and dreams. Stop saying you want to be great unless you're willing to make the daily decisions that map to greatness. As always, I hope you found great value in today's episode. Don't be defined by yesterday. Be the best version of you today. Every day is another great opportunity to learn and grow. Registration is now open for the 2021 Next Academy class. If you're interested, check out our website at nextleadershipacademy.org or give me a shout. Registration will end at the end of this month, so please don't wait. We have plenty of space still available and hope you will consider to explore this opportunity. I run an introductory webinar every 2 weeks. If you ever want to pop in and find out what the heck is the Next Academy that Cody keeps talking about, you can hit me up in the comments or on a private message, and I'll get you the details necessary to get you signed up. To all of you listening and watching, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support of these messages and your willingness to hit that share button and pass this along to coworkers, friends, family across all of the social media landscape. If I can ever help you in any way, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always here to help you, or more importantly, find you the necessary resources that can help you as you continue to travel on your leadership journey. Please be safe and smart out there. I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, attack the week ahead, own your life, and be